आज म तपाईलाई B.Ed सेकेन्ड इयरको यो एजुकेसन साइकोलोजी भन्ने यो सब्जेक्टको चाहिँ आज म तपाईहरुलाई चाहिँ यो युनिट 2 को सल्युसन शेयर गर्न गइरहेको छु। यहाँ चाहिँ एउटा क्वेशन रहेको छ। क्लेरिफाई द इश्यू रिलेटेड टु द इफेक्ट अन नेचर अर नर्चर अन डेभलपमेन्ट भन्ने यो क्वेशन रहेको छ। यसको चाहिँ आज म तपाईलाई चाहिँ सल्युसन शेयर गर्न गइरहेको छु। यहाँ तपाईहरु हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ यो चाहिँ क्वेशन नम्बर 12 रहेको छ। यो युनिट 2 को चाहिँ क्लेरिफाई द इश्यू रिलेटेड टु द इफेक्ट अन नेचर or nurture on development. The nature-nurture debate is a long-standing and central issue in the field of psychology and developmental science. It revolves around the question of how much of human development is influenced by genetic factors, nature, versus environmental factors, nurture. In essence, it seeks to understand the relative contributions of genetic predispositions and environmental influences in shaping various aspects of an individual's characteristics, behaviors, and outcomes. Nature, heredity, genetic influence. The nature perspective emphasizes the role of genetic and inherited traits in determining aspects of human development. It suggests that certain characteristics such as intelligence, temperament, and some personality traits are influenced predominantly by an individual's genetic makeup. Biological determinism. The nature viewpoint leans towards biological determinism, suggesting that genetic factors establish a kind of blueprint that shapes the trajectory of development. It implies a degree of pre-programming that unfolds over the course of an individual's life. Nurture, environment, environmental influence. The nurture perspective underscores the significance of environmental factors including family, peers, culture, and experiences in shaping human development. It proposes that individuals are shaped more by their interactions with the environment than by their genetic predispositions. Behaviorism and social learning. The nurture perspective aligns with behaviorism and social learning theories, which assert that behaviors are learned through interactions with the environment, reinforcement, and observational learning. Current understanding. Interactionist perspective. The prevailing view in contemporary psychology is that both nature and nurture interact in complex ways to influence development. This interactionist perspective acknowledges that genetic factors and environmental influences continually interact, shaping an individual's traits and behaviors throughout their lifespan. Epigenetics. The field of epigenetics further emphasizes the dynamic interaction between genes and the environment. Epigenetic processes involve changes in gene expression without alterations to the underlying DNA sequence, highlighting the impact of environmental factors on gene activity. Key considerations: gene environment interaction, developmental plasticity, sensitive periods, individual differences, cultural context. Gene environment interaction. Contemporary research emphasizes the importance of gene environment interaction, where genetic predispositions may influence how individuals respond to and shape their environments. Different individuals with the same genetic makeup may exhibit different outcomes based on their unique environmental experiences. Developmental plasticity. The concept of developmental plasticity recognizes that individuals are adaptable and responsive to environmental influences. It suggests that the same genetic predispositions may lead to different outcomes depending on the quality of environmental context. Sensitive periods. Certain aspects of development may be particularly influenced by either genetic or environmental factors during sensitive periods. For example, language development may be more sensitive to environmental input during early childhood, while certain cognitive abilities may have stronger genetic influences. Individual differences. Individual differences in development are acknowledged, with some traits and behaviors being more heritable while others are more influenced by environmental factors. Understanding these variations is essential for personalized approaches in education, healthcare, and other domains. Cultural context. The nature-nurture debate also interacts with cultural considerations. Cultural context shapes the expression and manifestation of genetic and environmental influences, contributing to the diversity of human development across different societies. The issue related to the effect of nature versus nurture on development is complex and multifaceted. The contemporary understanding recognizes the interactive and dynamic nature of these influences, highlighting the need for an integrated perspective that considers both genetic and environmental factors in shaping human development. The interplay between nature and nurture contributes to the unique and diverse characteristics observed in individuals. यो चाहिँ रहेको थियो clarify the issue related to the effect on nature or nurture on development भन्ने यो क्वेशनको चाहिँ मैले तपाईलाई चाहिँ यो सल्युसन शेयर गरे। तपाईले चाहिँ यसलाई चाहिँ नोट गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, यसलाई सुन्न सक्नुहुन्छ, नोट गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ र तपाईले चाहिँ यो क्वेशनलाई तपाईले चाहिँ प्र्याक्टिस गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। हुन्छ, आजले त्यही नै। आउने समयहरुमा अरु बाँकी रहेको यस्तै क्वेशनहरुको सल्युसनहरु म तपाईलाई चाहिँ शेयर गर्ने नै छु। तबसम्म चाहिँ तपाईले चाहिँ मेरो भिडियोलाई चाहिँ लाइक गरिदिनु होला, शेयर गरिदिनु होला र मेरो च्यानललाई तपाईले सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुभएको छैन भने सब्स्क्राइब पनि गरिदिनु होला।